I'm being completely honest, Dave is pretty useless if we don't have a Nige. So, nice.
Yo, welcome back. Adam, Nick, on his iPad.
Yes, yeah, I'm looking at stuff.
Today, starting a rewire. A good rewire, to be fair.
Why is it a good rewire, Adam?
All the
This is.
nice and easy. Well, still not easy, but yeah.
Well, it is for us because we're professionals.
Yeah.
What's the look at the new plumber? Ha. Ha.
Oh.
Ha. Oh, sorry. I'm just okay.
Yeah, I was trying not to show off your super work boots.
There's still choke off vans on it. Go on, yeah. Well, Snickers has sent us the. This is the autumn range or the winter range?
Don't know. The cool range.
The cool range. So it came the other day. I gotta say, this is, and I don't rave about stuff 100% unless I love it. This is epic. Fleecy lined. It's quite lightweight in it.
Yeah.
But it's flexy. Obviously, you've got the higher stuff as well.
Waterproof.
Sits well on the muscles. Adam. Doesn't matter. And then the flexi trousers. Look at these. Yeah. Anyway.
Definitely just keeps yourself a wedgie.
Yeah. No, look. This is how flexible I am. I couldn't do this in my old pair of work trousers. Jesus. Kick the ceiling. Anyway. Thank you, Snickers. I'll put all the stuff for this. Wicked cool. Thank you. Carry on, mate.
Yeah. So in here, what have we got? We've got a wall light. Going over there, TV on the wall, a few double sockets just in the corner, the usual crack, to be fair.
Don't swear.
I didn't swear, I said crack.
Oh, she said.
No.
Like poo poo.
No.
Show me the kitchen because this is just a boring room, really.
Yeah, because you're in it. Oh, here he is.
He's here. Oh, we've missed you. Oh, the plumbers. We don't need the plumbers. So if you should we take them outside quickly? Just show them what's outside.
What? Oh, yeah.
Outside. So I obviously still have my old van, but I've lent it to the plumbing company, and my mate's going, but she's here. The new bird,
Still got the
old one.
Deadpool in
Yeah, so super glued to the front. Anyway, yeah. So the plumber's upstairs. Hi, Ed.
Well, he's outside.
Oh.
We just seen him.
Oh, have you?
He's on the phone.
Oh, I didn't see it. I lent them the wall chaser for a bit, so they've been using that. They could have cleaned it for me, but never mind. Where have they used it? No, they haven't used it there. Anyway, yeah, so we use the wall chaser, but like Adam said earlier, ceilings are all dropped. Easy peasy, gonna get laser out. Excuse me, I'm just recording, okay. Plumbers. I should be showing them some dirt. That disgusting thing in the lounge.
What?
The thing we were kicking around earlier, pointing fun at. The thing on the floor.
Oh, yeah, that was a big bag of it.
Disgusting.
Look. Full.
I don't know how you say it. Anyway, yeah.
Bye for now.
Rewire, keys. So, a couple of sockets in here. Customer's just been around, marked them all out. We've got the laser on the stripper bowl. Marking out. We're going to measure out all the patch resist first, get them done. We'll chase each room out. We're here for 3 days, so this has been dropped on me absolute last minute. Their old spark. We've got the classic excuse, I think. It's got the old something 19. Thank you for that. So we've jumped in last minute. Going to chuck 3 days first fixing. We've booked back in 2 weeks second fix. Get it finished. But if you stay to the end, and I'll tell you, this is going to be today's video, but I'm going to get a video again on Friday. I've got 2 special guests. Filming with Adam and I. Yes. Obviously, I realised we skipped way into it rather than running through stuff. So, customer working for, bought the house, it's being renovated. Obviously, previous electrician told me he's a rewire, he was absolutely correct. There's a VR cable and all that jazz. So he has cut off the existing supply, the tail's been pulled out of it, it's completely isolated. There's another board here which is still live, that is 32. Yeah, don't ask me, I've not done this. But there's one side socket still working for the plumber. Upstairs, we don't need electrics, we've got power banks. Do you know what I mean? Power banks, aren't we? Not like plumbers.
Yeah.
There he is.
Morning.
Morning. That was polite for you. So kitchen's going on. Obviously everything's going to be run from there. The board is going to be raised up to about here. Everything's then going to be run up. We have got a solar panel here, which is staying in on that board. That's there. So kitchen's going across here. We're having 3 pendant drop lights there, 6 spots this side, 4 spots this side, 2 under cupboard light feeds, 4 gang switch, TV on the wall here, so a socket above, a socket going there, maybe one there, I can't remember. Hob there, extractor there, sink there, obviously, and then a breakfast bar coming out here. I'll show you, if I can find the kitchen plan, I'll stick up on the screen now. So just set, oh, it doesn't look very level, does it? This thing is becoming, it was expensive, the pole. I think the pole was about, I think it was about 120 quid, way over the top. But stuff like this, so we've already marked out all the boxes in here.
What about that one? There's one up here as well.
No, that's for wall light. That's 2 wall lights in there.
Where does he want a socket? Oh, up high somewhere. Oh, it's in the garage, right?
Yes, yeah. So Ad is just going to go, should we mark out all the rooms first?
Yeah,
just takes time.
Out, yeah.
Nice workplace, right?
Sweet, great.
Sweet. Socket in the hallway to go outside, the front door's being moved. We've got to put an outside light switch in here. There's 3 or 4 spots going there. I'll have a look on the iPad in a second. And yeah, so we'll crack down downstairs and then we'll run you through stuff as and when we're doing it. But obviously our life is 10 times easier running cables because there is no ceiling. See, we've just been kind as well. Plumbers trying to cord drill out the wall. I was like, we've got a hoover attachment. Do you fancy it? He was like, yeah. I said, well, tough, it's mine. Anyway, just got the kitchen plan out on the iPad. So I marked out roughly each line, where each cab's going, got the laser out. We've got a double socket, got a fuse switch spur that's going to operate the extractor fan, another double socket here. We've got a double socket under the sink for the dishwasher next door, USB double socket here, which will be the island. And just marked out that double socket, and obviously then there's one going in here. So this is going to be fairly simple. I'm going to smooth the bricks off, we'll screw the patches to the wall, get that done, and then we'll probably start on the lights. The problem with this is no actual starting point, so do you want to run the feeds in first from the board, or easiest thing, get the messy stuff out of the way with, get the chasing done, get the boxes in the wall, and then we can run lights afterwards, sockets afterwards, that sort of stuff. And also boilers in the loft as well, so we've got to run a feed up there. Of course it does.
Mate, just
the front rhino tube opens, I promise. Anyway, drilled them out. Well, it'll make more sense in a minute when we get them on. But I'm going to 4 gang switch, I'm going to do a double one, just going to do a nice big switch. But I was about to put it here, but if you do have a drop ceiling, just check what's above you. Because if I'd have put that there, that beam would have been right above, so just going to shift it across a little bit. I'll clean the brick off, get a flat fix in, straight above, boom. Right, shall I go and see if the front one opens now, yeah? Yeah, he was right. The front one is stuck. It's a hate to admit it. So it's empty. 67 miles worth of oval conduit to get this, because I don't have a nice place for it to go. Adam, you were wrong, mate. It did open.
What?
It did open.
Oh,
You're just not strong enough.
Yeah. Oh, you just spent 10 minutes playing with it.
No.
Yeah.
No. Sorry, you've lost Chris.
Yeah, that's alright.
Did another stinky plumber's turn up.
12 PM.
Use all my stuff.
Second.
It's another stinky plumber's turned up.
Hi.
This is John. Hi.
Hi, very nervous, not done my hair.
Oh, it's okay.
Gained weight over the last 8 years.
Yeah, fact, yeah. Just use the chaser. I forgot, I put a socket there, but obviously it needs to be a cooker ISO for the cooker, and then we're dropping a double socket in the cupboard below for a single socket for the cooker ignition. Just got the old turbo out, put that. I'm doing Tour de France today. What did I look like Ali G, that's what John said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Ali G. Yeah, so that one's done. There's not loads to do in the kitchen, so we're going to get the boxes on. Anything low level as well, even though it's hidden behind the cupboard, like I said in previous rewires, we're going to screw a box to the wall just to secure the cable, and then we'll just leave enough flex on it to bring it through and do a surface mounted socket on the inside of the cupboards. If I'm being completely honest, Dave is pretty useless if we don't have a Nige. So, nice and big.
Yeah.
Adam, what's that on your face?
Bundy 10.
Buy trade insurance? Oh, I wish I had one. Oh! Bundy 10. Right, so, oh, for God's sake. Classic Plumbers, doing nothing. He's going to go and play golf in a second.
Yeah.
On the phone to his manager. Funny angle here with cable routes, so that's been cut out there. Ignore this, this is cut off years ago by the looks of it. Cables are going to come up through here, and I'm going to do a ring final circuit. You heard it, Adam. I've not even told Adam this yet. You heard it. How shocked are you right now? Tell me your response immediately. How do you feel? Shocked? Yeah. But mate, the only reason I've done it is because we're going to do this whole room as a ring, but equally there's no ceiling. It's so easy for me to just bring another leg back to the board. You know what I mean? So Adam's been busy boy. Cooker point, so we're going to have the power going in on the right hand side. That's going to be a few spurts, going to go down. That's then, we've just put patches on. The cables are going to be long enough, we're going to be pulled through into the cupboard. That's going to be a single socket for the isolation, for the ignition for the hob. It's then going to pass around. Adam just put that there. That is then going to be a few spur. That's going to be inside the cupboard, and that's going to be an outside socket, which I forgot. That's then going to be brought the ring back up. The ring's going to go up, across, down, pass through to the socket under the sink. The reason I brought it round here is because I don't want to be overlapping any pipes going over or under, so I've got a clear route. So I'm going to come back up here, drop down to this one, back up, drop down to the TV one, back up, back to the board. So anyone that's new to the trade, or all the apprentices and whatnot, so if you're working on site, because all the time, Sparkies always have the best gear, this will happen. So we've got plumbers that come on, and I mean, he's just dropped it. The spirit, what were you just using then? My spirit level.
Nope.
So that one.
Nope.
Pretty sure it says Bundy on it. So just be careful. Be careful, because we have nice shiny things, and they use Makita. So just be careful. I've been messing around with this for a while. They're all drawn out. So all of these ones, even though there's 4 that side, 6 this side, these are all going to be in line. And then the 1 metre out, there's going to be another 2 here, and then another 2 here. And then I've had to change up, so, because obviously, it's a shame there's no RSJ breaking the ceiling on. It's the first time in a while that I've had to stagger lights because I can't quite get them in line. It's only a foot out, but this is what it is. Let's come and see how the... I've caught you red-handed. So I'm going this way, mate. I'm just coming to inspect your work. So John has kindly... That's for pipes?
It's for pipes.
What, is that for a little pipe?
Second?
That for a little pipe?
That's for a little pipe, yeah.
Cool. Oh yeah, I need to do that one as well, sorry. So John's kindly gone round and my chasing. I'm just inspecting, that's all, mate, because obviously your qualifications are inferior to mine.
Yeah. How's that?
Yeah.
What do you do with that? Just bite it out with the chisel?
Yeah, it comes with a big like bolster chisel. It's in the van somewhere.
I assume you can just get it on your own.
Oh right, yeah, cool. Oh, is this the new wireless cables, this one?
Yeah, that's
cool.
New
I know I haven't filmed in ages, it's just... Time is not on our side, is it, Adam? What time is it?
Wow.
Well, we just both did the pat down at the same time, a little dancey dance.
Yeah, quarter to
2. So, for a house rewire... Bye! For a house rewire, kitchen will be done today.
Sorry.
Why did you swear again? Yeah, as soon as we can get the kitchen done today, easily. What about half hour? Oh, they're the same plugs.
Yeah,
they're good ones. We bought these the other day. I ran out of plugs, and they're just rubbish. Is the word rubbish. Chased in. Let's clip back. Same as up here. I put the downlights in. 6 this side, 4 that side. The 3 pendant drops. What I'm doing here. Nice shades, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Is I'm going to take the feed to the switch here. Seems as though we've got 4. But what I'll do first, I don't know what I'm going to say I'm going to do first. The power will come straight to this and then it'll bounce straight out. So what we've been doing with the capping, got the oval conduit, dual it, plug it in the middle, that's nice and secure. Adam's done all that now with loads of slack for when we're in the cupboards and you're in the cupboards, not me. Yeah, I'm supposed to record.
Oh,
so if you keep your... Is that my hammer?
No, it's fine.
No, you can tell it's not. We're going to tidy in a sec. Another plumber's turned up. Gross. Just smell.
Ed's already been in the video.
Oh, he has. He's been and gone. Been and gone. And he did be fair. Ed did bring us some Subway cookies, so that's it. I have to pay him back. It's probably skint now. Plumber's wage. Fact. Yeah, kitchen's done, lights are done, heat alarm's in, so you take a 3/4 from that to there. Adam's got his bonding cable. He's going to run from there across, pigtail it down, ready for the mains water. There's no plastic joints going on it, so John says. Fingers crossed. The only thing we've got to do is we run out of 6mm. Take from a cooker ISO up and across, and then kitchen's done. Oops. I think we might need to have a tidy up. Maybe a little one. Yeah. What's up, mate?
No, just make sure I didn't go down the wrong one.
No, they don't like that. Did they, John?
What?
You go down the wrong one.
No.
Nope. What did you say?
Looks old.
Looks old. What, Nige and Dave?
Yeah.
Look old?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Plumbers are still here, unfortunately. Still using all our stuff. Undercovered light drops. Feed to switch. I've already run through all this. Adam's having a sweep up. Adam, you good job. I've done it for ages. John, you good job. Oh, he's eating. So I made a start. I've finished first fix other than sinking the boxes in. John did a good job, to be fair, of the chasing. Yeah, John's a good friend of mine. He's been managed. He's the one that's been organising all the EICRs with the letting agency, getting Adam and I loads of work, and he is a superstar. So, John, when you watch this, thank you. You good job. I'm not going to do much more today. It's nearly 4:30. It's nearly dark. Still got to get to another job. We're on this tomorrow and Friday. And on Friday, this man, Sam from EGTE, will be here. I'll turn this way so you can see me better. And also Amy. Amy the Spark from Instagram. So Sam and Amy come to join us on Friday. We'll see what we've got left to do here. They'll be spending the day. We'll be filming and all that stuff. So yeah, I don't know how interesting this video was. Don't know. We'll see when I edit it. So but yeah, next time we'll see you. I'll see you on Friday. And yeah, with those pair. Adam, yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.